Hey guys, I have the best, yummiest, most healthy juice recipe for you today. I saw this recipe, I think on Instagram, but I just added a little something extra to make it even healthier and better. But before I get into it, let me just tell you the benefits. It is good for anti-inflammatory, digestion, your skin health, hydration. There was another, like kidney health, all of these good things. And it's because of the ingredients that are in it. And it's 3 very simple ingredients. Are you ready for this? Okay. So first we have cucumber. Then we have pineapple. And then my extra little something that I added was coconut water. So all you have to do is chop up your fruits, put them in a blender, throw in maybe like 6 or 8 ounces of coconut water, whichever or however much you're making, and enjoy. It is the best smoothie ever. So we're gonna make it today. I'm gonna walk you through step by step of what I do and what that looks like, and show you how delicious it is. And then I actually put it in these cute little mason jars that you can just store in the fridge. So here we go. All right, so I always like to rinse my cucumbers first. All right, after you've rinsed your cucumbers, you can chop them up, okay? So I just chop off the ends and then make little slices. Like so. We're gonna stick them in your blender, okay? Next, we're gonna do the pineapple. So I always cut the top off first. Okay. And then the bottom. Okay, and then I go around the sides, cutting off the skin. Actually, I don't know if dogs can have pineapple, so. Okay, so I've chopped up almost my entire pineapple. I have a few pieces here, but we're just gonna leave that. We've got our coconut water here. So we are just gonna pour until the pitcher is about half full. There we go. Okay, let me just get you a little closer so you can see. So our blender, I said pitcher, our blender is about half full to here with coconut water. And now we are just going to blend, blend, blend. We're blending. So satisfying. All right, so we're gonna add one more cucumber because the 2 was not quite enough for the flavor that I wanted. I wanted it to be a little bit more like green. I wanted it to taste a little more green, if that makes any sense at all. So we are going to add our cucumber. Oh yeah, that's looking more green. Like seriously, look at this. So good. Perfect. So healthy. Look it up. Seriously, look it up on Google. All the health benefits. I didn't even tell you all of them. It's amazing. The best smoothie ever. All right, so that full blender made 3 mason jars worth. So I'm just going to store these in the fridge until we are ready to drink them.